the election battle, it's about who's got the economic policy. Former President Trump, he just debuted yet another tax break that he would back if he is reelected. Let's get right to TrendMacro Chief Investment Officer Don Luskin. He's so smart about the economy. Don, it's great to see you. So Trump now says he would lift the cap on state and local deductions beyond $10,000 that it is now. It's going to expire, that cap, at the end of 2025. Along with the other Trump tax cuts, do you think this one makes sense? I mean, even Senator Chuck Schumer is going along with it.
Well, what do you mean, even Senator Schumer? This is basically a bailout for New York, and I'll bet the California senators are for it, too. This is a bailout for high-tax blue states. This allows the ability to deduct the high state tax rates, the high property tax rates that you pay in those states, makes it possible for those governments to spend and spend and spend and become even more disastrous examples of the liberal Marxist paradigm for governance. So I think it's a huge mistake for Trump to endorse this. I think it's kind of it's a form of pandering. It's pandering for Kamala Harris to have all the giveaways that your reporter just talked about. She's imitating Trump by wanting to cut taxes for people who make tips. And now Trump is imitating Democrats by saying he wants to restore the deductibility of state and local taxes, a deduction that goes primarily to Democrats. Big mistake.
So, we know that she's campaigning. We hear you loud and clear. It's aiding and abetting really bad, fiscal recklessness in these states. She talks about an opportunity economy. It seems devoid of any substance or detail. It's really masking her tax hikes and federal price controls, too. I mean, economists are saying she would do basically price gouging of Americans with her tax hikes. Let's get to what your reaction to Trump is talking about. Don, we want to see what you have to say about Kamala wanting a tax on unrealized paper gains. We've never seen that. It's an unconstitutional wealth tax. Let's listen to Trump here. Watch.
Unrealized capital gain tax. That will drive every business out of the United States. So what that is I don't know how they can possibly administer. The only ones that are going to make money are appraisers and accountants. So they're taking a business, might have not a lot of money, but it might have great land, and they're valuing it. And what was it this year compared to next year? You got to put down a value, and then you got to go out and you have to pay tax, even though you haven't sold anything. It's the craziest thing I've ever heard. I want people to pay fair taxes and all of that, but she's going to be raising your taxes to 50, 60, 70%.
What do you think, Don? I mean, even Europe thought it was so bad, they said no to this. What do you think?
No, it's just a ridiculous idea. And, Trump's critique is a pragmatic one. He's right. It's impossible to administer, but it's worse than that. This is a tax on the most productive Americans. This is a nuclear torpedo aimed straight at Elon Musk. Do we want to punish Elon Musk for what he's contributed to the world, or do we want to give him rewards and inspire hundreds of more Elon Musks? That's what we want to do. We want to inspire them.
Yeah, not keep taking everybody's stuff and money. Don Luskin, no one's better than you. Thank you so much. Now we've got breaking news. This